Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to demonstrate how fees are built in Quantim, and there are two ways to do it. The top-down approach, when you already know your base fee and split it across your work stages, and the bottom-up approach, when you don't know your fee yet and build it up from staff hours and rates. Then we'll add expenses and finish on the resourcing screen. Let's jump straight in. So this is the Quantim screen once you log in. To add a new job, you navigate to Jobs, then Job Details, and click on Add New Job. Now, I'll set up the job details for Lakeside Villa. I'm selecting the Liverpool office, entering the job number manually, adding the job name, and choosing DuPont Design Group as the client. For now, I'm only completing the information needed to create the job. The remaining fields are optional, so they can always be added later. Next, I'll enter the project start and completion dates, set the job as chargeable, and change its status to live. For the fee, I'll enter a build cost of £1.2 million and a fee percentage of 10%. Quantim then calculates the total fee automatically. Finally, I'll assign Andrew Ellis as the job runner and director. Once everything is ready, I can save the job and start building the fee budget. Here's the fixed fee budget, the top-down approach. We already know our base fee, £120,000, so we split it down across our work stages. I'm using the RIBA plan of work, but activities are fully configurable to how your practice works. We split the £1.2 million build cost across the stages, 5% to preparation and briefing, 15% concept design, 20% spatial coordination, 30% to technical design, the biggest share, as you'd expect, 25% construction, and 5% handover. Each stage's fee is simply our 10% applied to its share of the build cost. So concept design carries £180,000 of build cost, which gives an £18,000 fee. Each stage gets its own dates, and the totals row confirms it. 100% of the build cost is allocated across the stages, which means the full £120,000 fee is 2. That's top down. Build cost drives the fee, stage by stage. But what if you don't know your fee yet? That's the second approach, bottom up. It starts with your people. Every staff member has a cost rate and a charge rate against their grade. A director at £160 an hour cost, an architect at £95, a junior at £75. Here, you can enter the hours to get the cost, or enter the cost to get the hours. It works either way. I add the hours each person needs on each stage, director oversight, the senior architect running the job, architects and designers carrying the design stages. Quantim prices every hour automatically. At cost rates, this project takes £74,000 to deliver. Now watch this. I flip from cost rate to charge rate. Same hours, and they're worth just under £130,000 at billable rates. That is your base fee, built from the ground up. And it validates our quote, £120,000 sits comfortably between our £74,000 cost and £130,000 billable value, a healthy margin of around 38%, visible before a single hour is spent. Once the fee is set, you can layer expenses into the stages that carry them. On concept design, I'll add £600, travel and model making, and on technical design, £900 for printing and site visits. They sit inside the stage fee, so the profit on each stage reflects the true picture. Fee minus staff cost minus expenses. Everything flows into the resourcing screen. The cards give the headlines, total hours, staff costs against total fee, cost as a percentage of fee. Below, the same hours spread week by week, who's booked, on which stage, and when, and as timesheets come in, actuals track against these estimates. The cost versus charge toggle works here too, and AutoSplit spreads stage budgets across the weeks in one click. Once the fee details are entered, click Generate Quotation, and Quantim will create the quotation automatically. And that's it, guys. We've covered 2 ways to build a fee in Quantim. Top-down when you already know the fee, or bottom-up using staff hours when you don't. You can also include expenses and track resourcing week by week. In the next video, we'll show you how to manage the project using the Gantt chart, so stay tuned. If you found this useful, like and subscribe so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.